What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Power Stories. So we talk about last month, December 2024. Real estate, right, revenue is zero. Okay, revenue here again, it means commission. I put others revenue like referrals, everything is as others. So others, I did have like a few hundred from others, and even from my affiliate incomes like few hundred plus. Okay, so revenue is still zero, and expenses has gone up because December is where I renew my package. My ad credits has finished, and both platforms, okay, spend about 4,000 for two platforms, which is Property Guru and iProperty. Yes, it's that expensive. You all think real estate is cheap? A business which has low cost. Not anymore actually. But we will come to that. For December, right, what happened was that I got more listing, and I actually got clearer of what I really want to do. So I've been experimenting and running around for the past 9 months up to this the point of last December is past 9 months. So I tried nearly everything. I tried doing nearly everything wherever the listing is, wherever whatever the landlord wants, I say yes. I never say no or seldom say no to things. Okay, as long as got business, I say yes. Okay, possible of this conversion, I say yes. So after doing this for 9 months and spending a lot of money and chasing some shadows, I find that I know what I want to do, and more importantly, I know how to communicate it and what is the direction for 2025, which I will cover in another video. Okay, so let's look at December. So how many listings I got in December? I'm focusing on Sunway Villa, still Sunway Villa. So in December, actually like 3, 6, 9, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. About 16 listings, which is not enough. Target supposed to be 50. 50 at the area where you're focused on. Okay, so I went for one or two inspections that I think can sell, but in the end the owners like hold back, and then some I think that I have to reject. After going inspect, I have to reject, but the story will come in another video lah, because I think it's a good lesson to share. Okay, so that's it. It's a very short month of December. We'll talk about January and February. Okay, so January has a lot of things to do, and it's Chinese New Year, so let's talk about January in February. This is Kenny here from Property Stories, and I'll see you again next update. Bye bye.